Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well last night?
Did you sleep well last night?
I woke up a little late today.
I woke up a little late today.
The alarm didn't wake me up this morning.
The alarm didn't wake me up this morning.
I feel really refreshed today.
I feel really refreshed today.
I'm still a little sleepy.
I'm still a little sleepy.
Let me open the curtains.
Let me open the curtains.
The weather looks beautiful today.
The weather looks beautiful today.
I need 5 more minutes in bed.
I need 5 more minutes in bed.
Time to get up and start the day.
Time to get up and start the day.
I should make my bed before breakfast.
I should make my bed before breakfast.
I need to charge my phone.
I need to charge my phone.
I had a strange dream last night.
I had a strange dream last night.
I can hear the birds outside.
I can hear the birds outside.
I'm going to wash my face now.
I'm going to wash my face now.
The water feels really cold this morning.
The water feels really cold this morning.
I need to brush my teeth.
I need to brush my teeth.
Where did I put my toothbrush?
Where did I put my toothbrush?
I'm taking a quick shower.
I'm taking a quick shower.
I can't find my towel anywhere. I should shave before going to work.
I should shave before going to work.
My hair looks messy today.
My hair looks messy today.
I need to comb my hair.
I need to comb my hair.
I'm getting dressed right now.
I'm getting dressed right now.
Which shirt should I wear today?
Which shirt should I wear today?
These clothes feel really comfortable.
These clothes feel really comfortable.
I think I'll wear my blue jacket today.
I think I'll wear my blue jacket today.
I can't find my socks.
I can't find my socks.
My room is such a mess.
My room is such a mess.
I need to organize my things later.
I need to organize my things later.
Let me check my messages quickly.
Let me check my messages quickly.
I have so many notifications this morning.
I have so many notifications this morning.
I should reply to these emails later.
I should reply to these emails later.
I'm feeling really motivated today.
I'm feeling really motivated today.
Today is going to be a great day.
Today is going to be a great day.
I need to hurry or I'll be late.
I need to hurry or I'll be late.
I forgot to set my alarm last night.
I forgot to set my alarm last night. I should drink more water in the morning. I should drink more water in the morning.
I need to organize my things later.
I need to organize my things later.
Let me check my messages quickly.
Let me check my messages quickly.
I have so many notifications this morning.
I have so many notifications this morning.
I should reply to these emails later.
I should reply to these emails later.
I'm feeling really motivated today.
I'm feeling really motivated today.
Today is going to be a great day.
Today is going to be a great day.
I need to hurry or I'll be late.
I need to hurry or I'll be late.
I forgot to set my alarm last night.
I forgot to set my alarm last night. I should drink more water in the morning. I should drink more water in the morning.
I'm going downstairs now.
I'm going downstairs now.
I can smell coffee from the kitchen.
I can smell coffee from the kitchen.
I'm starving this morning.
I'm starving this morning.
I need a strong cup of coffee today.
I need a strong cup of coffee today.
I feel more awake after my shower.
I feel more awake after my shower.
I should start exercising in the mornings.
I should start exercising in the mornings.
I need to check my schedule for today.
I need to check my schedule for today.
I almost forgot my wallet.
I almost forgot my wallet.
Let me grab my keys before I leave.
Let me grab my keys before I leave.
I'm finally ready to leave the house.
I'm finally ready to leave the house.
Have an amazing day ahead.
Have an amazing day ahead.
I'm really tired tonight. I'm really tired tonight. I can't stop yawning. I can't stop yawning. What time did you go to bed last night? What time did you go to bed last night? I stayed up too late watching videos. I stayed up too late watching videos. I need to sleep earlier tonight. I need to sleep earlier tonight. This pillow feels so soft. This pillow feels so soft. My blanket is really warm and cozy.
My blanket is really warm and cozy.
Can you turn off the light, please?
Can you turn off the light, please?
I forgot to charge my phone again.
I forgot to charge my phone again.
Let me set my alarm for tomorrow morning.
Let me set my alarm for tomorrow morning.
I don't want to wake up early tomorrow.
I don't want to wake up early tomorrow.
I had a long and stressful day today.
I had a long and stressful day today.
I'm finally ready to relax now.
I'm finally ready to relax now.
The room feels a little hot tonight.
The room feels a little hot tonight.
Can you open the window a little?
Can you open the window a little?
I can hear the rain outside.
I can hear the rain outside.
The sound of rain helps me sleep.
The sound of rain helps me sleep.
I think I need another blanket tonight.
I think I need another blanket tonight.
I can't find the TV remote anywhere.
I can't find the TV remote anywhere.
Let's watch one more episode before sleeping.
Let's watch one more episode before sleeping.
I'm too sleepy to finish this movie. I'm too sleepy to finish this movie. My back hurts from sitting all day. My back hurts from sitting all day. I should put my clothes away tomorrow. I should put my clothes away tomorrow. My room looks messy again. My room looks messy again. I need a good night's sleep tonight. I need a good night's sleep tonight. I feel much calmer after lying down. I feel much calmer after lying down. I hope tomorrow will be a better day. I hope tomorrow will be a better day. I can barely keep my eyes open now. I can barely keep my eyes open now. Good night and sweet dreams. Good night and sweet dreams. See you in the morning.